Clarity is your single portal to manage Microsoft 365 and Azure, simplifying licensing, security, and devices. It saves you time and cuts costs by putting IT control back in your hands. When you log into Clarity, you access your Microsoft 365 environment securely through single sign-on with Entra. No extra passwords, no hassle. The first screen is your home dashboard. Here, you see your secure score, Microsoft's rating of your overall security posture. Most IT teams don't check this regularly. Clarity makes sure you always have this critical info front and center. Alongside security, you get Copilot AI adoption metrics and Entra backup status, quick insights into how your environment is performing and where you might need to focus. Next, subscription management puts control in your hands. You can add or reduce licenses in near real time, modify auto-renew settings, and see commitment periods and billing dates clearly. Clarity also aligns all your licenses to co-terminate on the same date, so you get one consolidated invoice on the first of each month, something Microsoft doesn't do by default. You'll see Microsoft 365 and Dynamics 365 licenses alongside Azure reservations and software subscriptions in one unified list. Filters help you navigate large Azure footprints easily. The licensing dashboard uses AI to analyze your license usage. It highlights unused or underutilized licenses so you can optimize costs. You get alerts for upcoming renewals and clear action items, like canceling zero utilization licenses. This helps you right-size your Office 365 licensing without guesswork. Security gets a dedicated dashboard. Clarity scans your tenant for risky sign-ins, missing MFA on admin accounts, and privileged access issues. It flags problems like admins without MFA or recent high-risk sign-ins, giving you actionable alerts with clear next steps. This saves you from manually auditing multiple Microsoft dashboards. You also get identity hygiene metrics: how many users have MFA enabled, self-service password reset enabled, and privileged access management status. Info bubbles explain why each metric matters and what you should do. It highlights how many accounts have global admin roles assigned, as well as stale or inactive accounts. Privileged identity management data helps identify admins with standing permissions rather than just-in-time access, reducing exposure if an account is compromised. Clarity tracks MFA status and authentication methods across your tenant, flagging any weak or missing protections. Password hygiene is monitored too, including accounts with passwords that never expire or are vulnerable. It also scans for credential exposure and attack signals, like leaked passwords or suspicious sign-in attempts, giving you early warnings to act before breaches occur. Device management is simplified. Clarity shows how many devices are onboarded to Defender and Intune, which devices are stale or inactive, and which need attention. You can filter devices by OS version, management status, or Defender activity. For example, if a device is Intune managed but Defender is inactive, that's a security risk you can address immediately. Finally, SharePoint and Teams insights give you storage usage, stale sites, and the balance between Teams and standalone SharePoint sites. This helps you manage data security and optimize collaboration. The Azure Management Dashboard gives you clear visibility into your Azure environment. It shows your Azure credits, how much data you've used, remaining credits, and all your Azure subscriptions in one place. You get a detailed breakdown of your billing and usage by Azure Cloud Service type, so you know exactly where your costs are going and can manage budgets effectively. All this data is consolidated in one portal designed for IT teams who don't have time to chase multiple Microsoft dashboards. Clarity delivers clear, actionable insights so you can manage your Microsoft environment efficiently and confidently.